Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and today I am starting a brand new journal. Yay! I'm going to be working on a rainbow journal using the 3 signature rainbow kit that I just listed yesterday in my Etsy shop, and I haven't done this in a while, so I thought it'd be fun. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. Sorry. I haven't done this where I kind of gather all my stuff and then show you all the different things that I'm hoping to use in the journal. So I thought it would be fun. All right, let me clear some of this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my pile of fabric, and I have several, pieces in different colors of the rainbow. Here's some of my red. I have a whole Ziploc bag of red. Goodness. I have a whole, so I might be adding more red because there's really not that many different options right there. And then some Tim Holtz Abandon. I love the orange. I might use this part in the blue, but probably just more the orange. Love that fabric. Love it. And then some more orange. This is a yellow, orange, and then that one, and then that one. And then my yellow, some of the new, what is it? Flea market mix that I have. And some little scraps of yellow here. And then green. I love that there's the green stamps and also the yellow. And then these fun vintage scraps. I got these vintage pieces from Amore Fabriques. And then here's Abandon, the Tim Holtz in the green. Isn't that beautiful? Eek. I can't wait. And then blue stamps. And then this is, I don't know. I don't remember where I got this one. And then these scraps are also from Amore Fabriques. Fun, vintagey blues. And then this big thing of blue, and then my purples. More purple than I was thinking. Not fun. All sorts of fun colors. So, I'm hoping to do my cover in kind of a patchworky rainbow feel. I think I listed them below for the premiere, but I will also list my color journals that I did a couple years ago, and that's kind of where I'm getting this idea. Then I did a color for each journal. This time it's going to be one journal with all the colors using my digital kit. Okay, so then let's see what else. I bought the new packs of the Tim Holtz paper and pulled out some colors that obviously I thought would go with the rainbow. So we have green here, yellow, another green, a blue, a different blue, and blue there. And then on the other side, it's kind of nice because there's pretty neutral pages on the other side. So I have those. And then I really did. I went shopping in my craft room to find all these goodies. This is awesome for the blue page, and then the back of this music sheet. And then this one for the green. Really cool. Or the back. And then I have, what are they? The Ideals magazines, and I ripped out some pages. So for green, and then this one, I was thinking more blue, but it could be green, but this is probably blue because of this side. And then orange, and then look at this for yellow. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then there's green on the other side. So those are kind of fun. Set those aside. And then I went through my scrapbook paper, and I have been hoarding this paper. Oh goodness. This is Elizabeth Craft Designs, the Remnants. Anyway, it's, what's her name? Can't think of her name. her YouTube and Facebook is Badass Paper Chick, but that's not the name on her paper. I'll try and find it and link it below because it's so super cool. Here, oh, here, I have it right here. It's this. Sorry, very close. Yep, Elizabeth Reminence, however you say that. And what's her name that designed it? Oh, no, it just says Elizabeth Craft. I don't know. Anyhow, that's the paper. And I have this one that I love. And it could be red, but when you put it with the red, it looks kind of orange. So I might put it with the orange. And then there, I have this watercolor. This is Vicky Booten, maybe? And then I have this one for yellow from the paper pack. And that's the back, which is awesome that it's also yellow. And then this Bow Bunny, which is yellow. And then this is from the paper pack. The green page with the green on the back. And then blue. Super cool. So then my purples, I have this one. This is an Anna Griffin, and I coffee dyed it a long time ago because it was going to go in a journal. Man, I can keep coughing. And then there's this one that is a neutral, but it's coffee dyed, and I thought if I need like a neutral background, that paper would go well. But aren't these papers so fun? Oh my gosh. And then, but wait, there's more. I also bought this from Elizabeth Craft Designs, and this is her newer book. And I might have to buy a second one of these because I don't know if I can use all those papers because I just love them. But in here, like there's the red that I could use. But look at these pages. And then this red is gorgeous. So these would be awesome. It's a little more Christmassy, but I still think it would work. Look at this paper pad. Oh my goodness. Isn't that the coolest? The front of the book is thinner paper, and then the back of the book's the same paper, but with cardstock paper. 120 grams and then 250 grams are the thicknesses of the papers. So that'll be fun. And here is the book that I finally brought myself to ripping out the middles of. I hope that the spine will be thick enough for 3 signatures. I think. I'm hoping. And it gives me room that I can put lace or fabric kind of coming off the edge. So I think this will be a good size for the book. And then in here, I posted a picture on my Facebook group. These are the lace and ribbons in rainbow colors that I've collected and stuffed in this little box. And then I also have buttons, but I haven't pulled those out of my little tubs. And then I also have a few more on the rolls. I pulled a lot of stuff. I pulled a ton. And then this is a fun pile of fun stuff. These are kind of my retro bits that I found in my stash. So we have some cards. And then I have red pieces in here. It's fun. And then this one, and there's a red stamp to kind of go with the retro vibe. And I love that this is red. And there's that with the girls. And isn't that cool? Oh my goodness, a tomato packet. Or seed packet, I mean. This one. And then a big, what is this? Overtime, so a time card. And then we have orange. And a milk top. Some ice coupons. Orange soda. CD case. This is kind of orangey from 1973, an old envelope. And then we have yellow, a stamp, a little ticket, and this card, an old envelope, and this with a yellow tab. And then in here are my green goodies. A letter D. Some fun, it's a green, I don't know, advertisement from the library of, a bingo card, another card that says green, a ticket, a flinch card, not Finch, and then more little coupons. So yeah, lots of fun. And then there's this pea can coupon or advertisement. Yeah, this is from 1981. Not sure what that language is, but yeah, there's green. And then blue. Excuse me, that boat's really fun. And then this one, Cuban salad, a blue tab. And then purple, I have this one envelope with stamps. And I didn't have as many purple things. With this, and that's kind of purple. Oh, this actually goes with the blue. And then these flowers, this little card. That's pretty. Some purple tags, and then Easter Parade being Crosby. I've got plenty to be thankful for. I thought that was fun. And then this ice cream stick, and then some play money. So those are my fun retro bits that I'll be using, along with my ephemera that I still need to get cut out and ready to go. So yeah, lots of fun headed towards this journal. And my thought is I'm going to make a 3 signature one using the rainbow kit, and then I haven't decided if I'm going to do a single or double signature, but I at least want to make 2 journals using the kit. The 3 signature journal is for sure going to be a craft along with me. So yeah. All right, so if you are wanting to join me in making a rainbow journal, get your supplies, pull out of your stash, and I can't wait to get started. If you are in my Facebook group, I would love to see your pictures of your journal that you're working on, and your retro kind of bits that you'll be using in your journal and your fabrics and all that kind of stuff. I don't know, I just get a kick out of it. I think it's so fun. All right, and we'll get started in our next video. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.